Extra caution and extra care on the roads tonight, especially as black ice develops. That's a thin layer of ice that you can't make out because it just kind of blends in with the pavement. So keep that in mind because temperatures are really going to be tumbling overnight tonight, and any wet surface will turn icy. We did have at least an inch of snow reported at the airport around 7 o'clock this evening. That number is probably going to go up. So basically each and every day here for the month of January has brought some snow. The last snow-free day here in Buffalo was back on December the 31st. Will tomorrow be snow-free? Well, maybe not up in the Lake Ontario shoreline, but I think here in Buffalo it probably will. Here's Super Doppler and Satellite Live. The last vestiges of the snow now exiting Wyoming County, points south and east Wellsville. You'll pick up on a few flakes. I think the story right now is really the fog and, of course, the black ice later tonight. We were at 42 earlier today with some of that rain around, and now I guess it's really a case of the volatility and the variability. More the variability as we've gone from the 40s down into the teens here overnight tonight, and wind chills will be even lower. These are some of the temperatures you can expect waking up on Saturday morning. Oh, it's going to be into the single digits. You'll be shivering even if you're not doing a lot of shoveling. And in Pike, for example, it will be at 9 tomorrow. And tomorrow afternoon, we're going to be dealing with wind chills at times below zero. So overnight, not much more than maybe 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch in the North Downs, maybe about 1/2 inch in places like the Boston Hills and out towards Colden. Springville, you're good for maybe another 1/4 of an inch. East Otto, maybe just about 1/2 inch. That's it. 31 degrees right now, a little bit of light snow coming down. The visibility is down to a mile owing to some of the fog. We're at 28 in Olean, 29 in Jamestown, and Jamestown dealing with some of that fog with the visibility at 3 miles. So there goes our storm system. Here comes the colder air behind our front. Again, just a few flakes that are still flying. A lot of clouds out there. The sky could try to partially clear. That's actually not going to be good for forming black ice. I think we will see black ice developing as a result. We'll continue to find that northerly flow for tomorrow, so temperatures really go nowhere with a lot of clouds, maybe not past the single digits in Jamestown. And then the winds start to shift into the southeast heading into Sunday. And even though we're going to start out cold, guess what? Next system makes its approach. So more snow is on the way. It should be light, emphasis on light, heading into Sunday afternoon and night, and as temperatures rise on that southeasterly breeze, we will see some rain developing as we head into Monday. More on that in just a little bit. So we had our burst of snow. Again, in total, we've seen about 1 to 3 inches of accumulation. We will find it to be sharply colder tonight, as I mentioned, 12 in Depew for tomorrow. There's your Super 7-day forecast. Again, some wet snow later Sunday, some showers of rain on Monday, colder for the middle of the week with a few more flakes by Wednesday.